Freeze-dried food is a gamble. You're paying 12 to 20 bucks, hoping that something that looks like a bag full of sawdust is going to be a delicious meal when you add boiling water. But Mountain House just dropped a new flavor that may be their riskiest gamble yet, jambalaya. Now, proper jambalaya is all about slow simmered spices, perfectly cooked rice, and juicy andouille sausage. Can the freeze drying process actually preserve that magic? Well, I think we're about to find out. Now, unfortunately for Mountain House, I'm a big fan of Cajun food and have been to New Orleans more than once and had some of the absolute best Cajun food at a place called Oceana. If you're ever in New Orleans, definitely stop in. So probably my expectations are a little low here, especially considering it's freeze-dried, and Mountain House doesn't have the reputation as being the absolute tastiest food. Last year they came out with 3 new flavors, and they made a pretty big deal about it. So I was a little surprised that I found this on accident. So the Cajun style jambalaya piqued my interest, so I figured I'd give it a try and see if it's right for me and maybe right for you. Now, like restaurant style jambalaya, this includes andouille sausage, chicken, bell peppers, and rice. And I'm curious to see how it compares. So let's start by looking at the dry ingredients. Oh, it smells good. And there's all kinds of sausage in here. It looks like we've got plenty of chicken and definitely lots of spices. And to all of this, we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of boiling water. After we do that, we're going to stir it, close the zipper. Of course, you want to take this out first. And we're going to wait for 8 minutes. After that, we're going to stir it again, reseal it, and wait for an additional 7 minutes. So 15 minutes in total. All right, so let's get to that. 1 1/3 cups boiling water. All right, so here comes that water. And let's give this guy a good stir. Oh, that smells really good. All right, we're gonna seal this up, and like I said, we're gonna wait 8 minutes, then we're gonna give it another stir. I'll save you that part. I think you can figure that on your own. Next time I see you, we'll be giving this a taste. Okay, so we've given this 15 minutes, stirred it halfway through. Let's take a look. All right, looks like it rehydrated really well, and smells all right. Let's get it in a bowl so you can really take a look at this. All right. So on the plus side, there's a lot of food here. Now this is 2 servings like most freeze-dried meals, but you're gonna eat the whole thing. All right, let's take a look in here. Well, this certainly looks like it should. And we got some nice chunks of sausage in there. Looks like the right color, but does it taste good? That's the important question here. All right, let's give this a taste. You know, it doesn't really smell like I would expect it to if I got this in a restaurant, but here we go. Okay, it did rehydrate really well. No chunky parts there. Rice is plumped up good. Sausage has got no hard parts at all. Get a little piece of chicken here. So if you follow the instructions, it should reconstitute really well for you. At least it did for me. I will say it has sort of an odd flavor. Now, I am a big fan of Cajun food, but there's something off about this. It's, well, Have you ever had Mountain House Lasagna? This kind of has an underlying Mountain House Lasagna taste, sort of a tomatoey, Chef Boyardee, ravioli type flavor underneath. So it's definitely not something I'd expect to buy in a restaurant in New Orleans, for sure. In fact, although it's not bad, I'd say some of those boxed jambalaya meals you can get at the grocery store are actually better than this. So again, it has real andouille sausage, real chicken. It's just something about the sauce that isn't authentic Cajun. So would I eat this on a backpacking trip? I would if I didn't have any meals and somebody gave it to me. But it's definitely not what you would expect if you've had jambalaya before. So I'm going to say on a scale of 1 to 10, they gave it a good try, but I wouldn't buy this again, and I'm going to give this one about a 5 out of 10. So save your money. Mountain House has a lot of other flavors that are a lot better than this. I particularly like the enchilada that they came out with last year. That's pretty great. And their buffalo style mac and cheese with chicken. That's pretty great. This, probably just going to eat this because I really shouldn't waste food. But if you're interested, go give it a try. Want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Actually, how about next time we make our own dehydrated jambalaya and compare it to this? See you then.